I am here in India and I'm so excited to take you to Johari MedTech. This is my company where we get all the Myolift devices designed, developed and manufactured. So let's get in and check it out. The company Johari MedTech started in 1979. I'm the second generation now here. We have since then filed for and achieved successfully multiple FDA files as well as FDA applications. We have cleared MDSAP, we have ISO 13485 so that we can manufacture and design and develop a lot of different, including class 3 devices that are for medical purposes. We also have achieved at least 50 successful external audits, and that is the reason we are expanding exponentially with all of the projects that we get here. And I'm so excited to have Myolift as part of the manufacturing and design development here in our own factory, and I am focusing on a lot of skin care, skin condition and aesthetic purposes. This is where all the manufacturing, all the juices, all the internal parts of all our devices are being manufactured. It's gonna be fun. This is the area where all of the PC board manufacturing is done, and these are end-to-end automatic PC board assembly system. People are not touching this. It's completely done automatically, and that gives more precision and more quality control. So many of these boards are being manufactured here, and this is where the whole first inspection of that green board itself happens. This is where the inspection happens. FDA has so many rules and regulations, and we want to make sure that all of the waveforms are within the safety limit. So once all the PC board is ready with all the components and software, it comes here, and this is where all the assembly happens. So a lot of you have asked what kind of material this is and how the QT works. So this is completely steel. It has gone through a lot of biocompatibility tests to make sure it works for sensitive skin as well as different kind of skin, and it does not create any kind of irritation. So we are at the final stage where all of these products are ready. Myolift QT is getting prepared to be packaged and shipped out for all of our loyal customers.